Welcome to the Gladiator video on how to hyperlink. In front of us we have a copy of the document register. This is where you can list all the important documents and files that you use in your business. When you open this file, the first thing you should do is save it onto your computer, and in the top field type your business name. Then in the list you can type in the details of your documents. For example, document control reference. This is handy if you have form numbers. If not, you can just leave that field blank, and we're going to in particular look at the correspondence register. Location, this is where you can manually type in where it's located on your computer in terms of directories and subdirectories. Again, you don't need to use this field, or if you want, you can use this field for something else. Just change the heading to suit. The version date, we're going to learn about control footers shortly in the next video, but this is when the last version was updated, so we use a date in that field. Now with hyperlinking, rather than us going and searching on our computer to see where the correspondence register is actually saved, we can hyperlink it in this document register. In other words, if we open up our document register, we can link all of the documents in this one file. So by the click of a button, you'll be able to open up the correspondence register and your other important documents without even knowing where they're located on your computer, which is really, really handy for yourself and others in your organization. And it's really, really simple to do. I normally hyperlink the document name, but you could hyperlink the location or the reference, whatever field that you want. It doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do is left mouse click on the document name. I'm then going to right mouse click to bring up my sub menu. I'm going right down the bottom to hyperlink. And now what the system is asking me is, where is the correspondence register held? If I click on this down arrow, I can go through the directories on my whole computer to find where it's located. So once you know where it's located, you click on the file name within the directory. In this case, it's within the directory called document control, and I'm going to click OK. As I click OK, watch the document name in the document register. It changes from the plain black font to blue, and it's also underlined. This means that it is hyperlinked. And to show you how simply hyperlinking works, all I need to do is move my mouse so it is over the top of the name. As you see, it's currently a cross. When I move it over the top of the name, it changes to a hand. Once the mouse has changed to a hand, all I need to do is left mouse click, and it will automatically open up the register. And that's what hyperlinking is all about. Very simple and very easy to set up. Now, there is a proviso here with your hyperlinking. Hyperlinking really depends on the file name and the directory on where the document is located. If you change the file name, or you change the location, directory or subdirectory, the hyperlink will be severed. The hyperlink won't work. It won't be able to find the file because it will be going back to the original directory and the original file name. So for example, if you had correspondence register version 1 and then you updated it and called it correspondence register version 2, if your hyperlink was hyperlinked to version 1, it won't automatically change. So if you need to change a hyperlink because, for example, you've changed a file name or you've changed a location of where that file is held, quite simply just right mouse click over the hyperlink, and you can either edit the hyperlink or remove the hyperlink and start again. I generally just remove the hyperlink and start again, but it's entirely up to you. So in this case, I'm going to go through, I'm going to find the file name, click OK again, it's in blue, and again, if I click on it, I automatically open up that document name. So again, if you have all of your documents, all of your files listed in this one register, and you hyperlink them all in this register, this is a one-stop shop then for all of your important files used in your business. It's important too because if you're hyperlinking it to the current versions of your forms, then your employees won't inadvertently be using the wrong version of your forms, which is very important. It's a common mistake that happens in many businesses. People are using outdated forms. So by using hyperlinking, it takes away the confusion or the human error. So I'm hoping that hyperlinking is something that you can use in your business.